What if I told you that for less than the price of a PlayStation 5, you could have a robot companion that recognizes your face, talks using ChatGPT, and even guards your home? The future isn't coming. It's already sitting on your desk. And some of these robots, they're honestly kind of terrifying. 5 years ago, robot companions were clunky, expensive, and frankly, boring. They'd repeat the same 3 phrases and couldn't even navigate around a shoe. But in 2025, everything has changed. Coming in at number 5 is Eilik, and here's the thing about Eilik. He's got feelings, real ones. Eilik has 3 touch zones: his head, belly, and back. Pet his head, he's your best friend. Touch his back when he's upset, this little dude might pull out a sword gun on you. Yes, you heard that right. He's designed to be a mood lightener. Connect him to your computer, use him as a focus timer, or just let him vibe on your desk while you work. He can unlock more content when connected to your Mac or PC, and he can even serve as a countdown timer to help you track your work sessions. So Eilik takes number 5. Adorable? Absolutely. Revolutionary? Not quite. But our next robot, it's got a tail that literally talks to you. Number 4 is Dog E, and this is where things get interesting. Every single Dog E you unbox is completely unique. Different ear positions, eye shapes, even tongue colors. It's like getting a surprise puppy every time. Dog E can express over 200 sounds and reactions, communicating extensively with its owners through these icons and messages. It's constantly telling you what it needs, whether it wants treats, wants to play with its toy, or just needs some attention. The free app takes it even further. You can customize Dog E's personality, make it lazy, adventurous, licky, picky, or obnoxiously sweet. You can save up to 10 different personalities, which means you could literally have 10 different dogs in one. The app also features games like Codebreaker and Stay and Go, plus a trick maker and tail customizer that offer a basic introduction to coding. Dog E is perfect for kids or anyone who wants a pet without the vet bills. But it's still just a toy. Our next robot? It can actually protect your home. At number 3, we're getting into serious territory with the Rolla Mini. This isn't just a companion, it's a mobile security system with personality. Rolla Mini rolls on actual tank tracks, not wheels. This means it can climb over yoga mats, thick carpets, and even chase your cat under the couch. Its compact body allows it to maneuver under furniture to find your pets wherever they're hiding. And here's the genius part. It has a tumbler design. If your pet knocks it over, which will happen, it automatically flips itself back upright. Try doing that with your iPhone. The camera is 2K resolution with a 137-degree viewing angle and night vision that actually works. The image quality is better than your average security camera, and it comes with a motion detection sensor. It connects to 5 GHz Wi-Fi for reduced latency, supporting two-way audio and video calling through the mobile app. But the coolest feature? There's a physical voice button. This means even if your kid doesn't have a phone, they can press it and talk to you instantly. It's perfect for staying connected with young children who aren't ready for their own smartphone yet. And for your actual pets? Install the teasing stick accessory, or use the app to make it dance and play animal sounds. You can activate various skills to keep your pets entertained while you're away. My cat was both terrified and mesmerized. Rolla Mini is the most practical robot on this list, but practical doesn't mean most advanced, because our top 2 robots, they have AI brains that can actually think. Number 2 is Miko 3, and if you have kids aged 4 to 10, this might be the most valuable robot you'll ever buy. Might. We'll get to the catch in a minute. Miko 3 has real AI conversations, not pre-programmed responses, actual back and forth dialogue. Say, "Hello, Miko," and it wakes up ready to teach, play, or just chat about dinosaurs for 20 minutes straight. The robot features a high-resolution, wide-angle IPS display, high-performance speakers, and a rugged ABS body that can handle the inevitable drops and bumps from kids. It's packed with technology, including a wide-angle HD camera, dual microphones, and various sensors. The content library is massive. There's coding school to teach programming basics, Dance Master for movement and coordination, DaVinci Kids for art and nature lessons, plus reading helpers, spelling games, shape recognition, and trivia. It's basically an entire preschool curriculum in a robot body. Miko 3 can help children read, spell, learn shapes, and discover facts about science, nature, and art. The content is organized into specialized talents. Think of them as different expert modes the robot can switch between. Parents get full control, set screen time limits, schedule breaks, track learning progress. And with Am I Connect, you can remotely video call the robot to check in on your kid, which is honestly both convenient and slightly dystopian. You can literally call the robot from anywhere to see what your child is up to via a live video link. So Miko 3 is incredible if you're willing to pay, but our #1 robot, it has ChatGPT-4 built in, and you won't believe what it can do. And here we are, #1, Loona. This is the robot that made me question whether we're ready for what's coming next. Loona doesn't just respond to commands. It behaves like a living pet. It stretches when it wakes up. It sneezes. It follows you around and comes running when you call. The first time it did a fist bump with me, I genuinely forgot it was a machine. Loona is described as an adorably intelligent pet bot, not just a toy, but something intended to be a new family member and best friend. Its lifelike design means it moves and acts in ways that feel surprisingly organic and natural. It's well-trained and responds to both voice and gesture commands. Want a fist bump? Just ask. Need it to follow you? It'll tag along like a loyal puppy. Call its name from across the house, and it'll come running to find you. But here's what makes Loona different from everything else. ChatGPT-4 integration. You can have actual complex conversations. Ask it trivia questions. Have it check the weather. Even have it generate pictures using AI. It's like having Alexa, except it can walk around and has a personality. Loona uses facial recognition to remember up to 5 family members by name and face. It knows who you are, greets you differently than it greets your partner or kids, and can even distinguish between different people when responding to commands. The robot is equipped with a Cortex A53 AIC CPU and various sensors that help it avoid obstacles and edges so it won't tumble down your stairs or crash into walls. It's constantly mapping and understanding its environment, and for entertainment, it'll fetch a ball, chase a laser pointer like a cat, and even play games like the shell game, whack-a-mole, and bullfighting using a red cloth prop. Each game shows off different aspects of Loona's AI and physical capabilities. You can even teach it custom commands using a simple drag-and-drop coding system based on Google Blockly. Want Loona to do a specific routine when you get home? Program it yourself with no coding experience required. And when you're away, switch to security mode, and Loona becomes a mobile home security camera with 2-way audio. It can patrol your house, stream live video to your phone, and let you talk through it to check on things. It's like a Swiss Army knife that also happens to be adorable. So that's Loona, the most advanced, most capable, and honestly most unsettling robot companion you can buy today. But the question is, should you? Look, these robots are impressive. Some are cute, some are useful, and one might legitimately replace your need for other smart home devices. But here's what nobody's talking about. We're not just buying gadgets anymore. We're inviting AI into our homes that recognize our faces, listen to our conversations, and form relationships with our kids. Is that amazing? Yes. Is it a little scary? Also, yes. Which robot would you buy? And if you want to see more AI tech before it goes mainstream, make sure you're following along. Trust me, the future's only getting weirder from here.